To the east of Singapore sits one of the world's highest capacity vaults for precious metals. Encased in onyx, the reserve can hold up to 10,000 tons of silver and 500 tons of gold. Its operators moved to this facility after its previous vault ran out of space due to a surge in demand for its services during the COVID-19 pandemic.
The beautiful thing about gold is you can own it as private property, so you don't have counterparty risk, and it's intrinsically valuable.
In times of market and economic uncertainty, investors flock to gold as a storage of wealth. Gregor Gregerson is founder of the reserve. He says shipments of bullion to the facility have gone up threefold in recent weeks. Gold prices have surged to record levels as the trade war and US President Donald Trump's unpredictable policies have hammered trust in dollar assets. For many investors, it's reminiscent of the 2008 global financial meltdown.
I think we are at a much more critical phase nowadays than we were back in 2008. The fear is more on a geopolitical level and on a systemic level itself.
Wild swings in US tariff moves and protracted trade negotiations will likely maintain gold's allure. Bullion prices have risen by about 30% this year, outperforming nearly every other major asset class. It's been pushed higher in particular because of a sell-off in US government debt, another indicator of a lack of confidence in America's financial system. Some experts say precious metals are now the only true safe haven investment left. Besides the trade war, conflict in the Middle East and Ukraine, as well as global inflationary pressures, are propping up prices as well.
I think what we have now is this perfect storm where there are so many factors out there and different people will have different reasons as to why they want to buy gold. And only when we start crossing off some of those factors will we begin to see gold prices fall. But until then, I think gold prices are going to be relatively elevated.
Even though there's been some correction following the recent surge, so long as the global economy is being tested, gold's expected to continue to shine. Patrick Falk, Al Jazeera, Singapore.